Damn, Charlie, it is hot. Jeez, man. Welcome back to the channel on this wonderful Friday afternoon. It's been a while since you guys have seen me, and also it's been a while since you guys have seen the Miata. So I've decided to name him Charlie, and it's about that time to give you guys an update on what's going on with him, because tons of stuff has happened over the wintertime that you guys aren't aware of. So I'd rather catch you guys up, and then we could go from there rather than just throwing something at you and you guys not having a clue what's going on. So first things first, we have some damage on the spoiler and also the deck lid. I'll post that video somewhere around here. That happened back in November. Then we come around to the front bumper where this guy just decided to break off on the fender and left the bumper dragging on the floor. Kind of irritating, but whatever. We'll get that fixed. So also during the wintertime, I learned how to weld aluminum. So the car now has a blow-off valve, solid intercooler pipe. And the main reason behind it is because this little coupler right here was resting, let's see, same setup, but just solid. It was resting kind of like that, so you can tell that the exhaust is right back behind the sway bar, and it burnt a hole through it. So it gave us a huge boost leak, and wasn't too happy about that. So everything's solid with that now. The engine looks the same, but it's a 5.3, and it's been completely rebuilt. I'm talking head studs, head gaskets, new bearings, hone, rings, everything, the whole 9 yards. And it's on E85 now, made 585 horse with a malfunction in the map sensor. So I started diagnosing it, unplugged the throttle position sensor. So now we had 2 messed up sensors on the dyno, still made 585 horse, and the intercooler is the limiting factor. So it's got Gen 4 internal, so we should be able to crank it up to about 700 to 800 horse and it still be happy. And then we also have a sweet little launch controller on it that goes pop diddly bang. And lastly, the thing still leaks oil. So that's one of the main reasons why I don't drive the car, is because of the oil leak. I absolutely hate it and I want it addressed. I don't know exactly where it's coming from. I think it's the oil pan, which, coming to find out, when we did the engine, my friend's kid actually pointed out that the oil pan was cracked. It just had a little hairline crack in it, and that's where all the oil was coming out from. So I brought it home. I re-welded it, re-ground it down. It looked really good, but it's still leaking oil, and I think that's from the same spot. So we're going to try to get that addressed. Probably have to pull the engine again, and I'm not looking forward to it. But first things first, we're going to go ahead and get the bodywork addressed. We'll get it re-wrapped with the vinyl right there. And oh yeah, you like the new garage setup? It's pretty sick. And also, the workbench is being a workbench, whole bunch of crap on top of it. So we have a lot of work to do, but rather than me just rambling on and on, let's get to work.
Go.